Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change your Discord bio on your iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to Discord. After that we need to click on our account and here click Edit Profile. Scroll down a little and here we can tap to add bio. Click here and enter your bio. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.